Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are on Phenomenal Cosmic Power by Ben Matasar. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so it looks like we've got a pretty simple square arena here. Some liquid outskirts. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Marathon 2 plugin for textures. That should do it. Let's try again. There we go, that's much better. Now then. Just one down. See if there's anything secret to be had here. Looks like it's a pretty simple layout. Not much more to it. Alright. Got it on the run. Oh. Good thing they can't really get out of the water, I don't think. Surprised it's taking so long. Oh, we've got dynamic water too. Yeah, I like how there's dynamic platforms in the center arena too. Lots of going up and down really fast. Oh geez, 2 and 1. Even if it got killed, that's pretty good. I don't really get the point of the floating liquid, but I guess it's good to kind of get the right timing and players to get each other in a trap. Shit. At that rate, it seemed like he was about to kill me with the rocket launcher anyway, so better just break even rather than get -1 point. Gotta really watch out with the platform timing. Keep it in mind as you're fighting. Damn it. Lost a whole jackpot of bots there. Oh shit, alright. That was good fun. I wonder if there's any invincibility around here. Probably not. Maybe it's good for suicide killing someone underwater though. Especially given that this was for Marathon 2 before the SMG. Glad I made that elevator. Alright. So for today, next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will cover Butch Masoni's Suicide Map Pack 3. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.